trying to lower your cholesterol, then you need to know which foods are quietly working against you. Today I'm sharing 4 common foods scientifically proven to raise cholesterol levels. Some may surprise you. 1. Processed meats like bacon, hot dogs, and deli slices are packed with saturated fat and preservatives that spike LDL cholesterol. A study published in Circulation linked processed meat consumption to higher LDL and increased risk of heart disease by 42%. Avoid or limit. Choose unprocessed protein sources like beans, lentils, or wild-caught fish. 2. Fried foods are high in trans fats and inflammatory oils. According to a study in the British Medical Journal, people who regularly eat fried foods have significantly higher total cholesterol and are at greater risk for cardiovascular issues. Swap with oven-baked using healthy oils like avocado or olive oil. 3. Artificial fats like margarine butter are loaded with saturated fat, which can raise LDL cholesterol when consumed in excess. The American Journal of Clinical Nutrition found that saturated fat intake is directly correlated with increased cholesterol levels. Switch to extra virgin olive oil or organic coconut oil in moderation. 4. Commercial baked goods often contain hydrogenated oils and refined carbs, both of which can raise LDL and lower HDL, good cholesterol. A Harvard study linked high consumption of trans fats from baked goods to a 23% increased risk of heart disease. Healthier option: bake at home using whole ingredients, olive oil, and natural sweeteners. Avoiding these 4 foods can make a massive difference in your cholesterol levels and your long-term heart health. Remember, what you eat matters. Want a step-by-step guide to eating for inflammation and cholesterol control? Get my book, Eat to Heal, where I break down the S2R diet, a science-backed anti-inflammatory eating plan to help you reclaim your health. Click the link below to grab your copy today, subscribe, and share this with someone who needs to protect their heart.